It's Monday. You know what that means. I'm Stewie the Towel, and it's time for another All Elite on crate unboxing, and it's time for some 550-degree nose dabs. Go ahead and get over the bad boy. Alrighty then. That's some Don Mega. The cross of GMO and black banana. Really nice. So we all in for this. The All Elite crate. So just came in the mail. Got this bad boy open. So as always, get to see what's in here first before me. Ah, here's the card that they gave you. Bam. So you can see what the spoilers are. I put that to the side. So first off, I see a Danhausen t-shirt. So let's just dig right on in. It's Danhausen with, man, there's every problem in the world. Danhausen, Danhausen, Danhausen. I sadly missed him at WrestleCon this year when I went down there. And then next up is some FTR stickers. I got to meet these. Unfortunately, I was wearing my Young Bucks t-shirt, and they gave me major crap for it. Whatever. And then next up is another t-shirt. I'm not really sure who this is off just by opening the box. But it is the Best Friends! Whoop, whoop. And then we have a keychain, which is, I'm pretty sure this is the Ocho baby. Of course, you guys are probably going to rip me to shreds for fucking that one up. We have a two-piece magnet pin set, which probably just means that there's a magnet that connects to. I will wear this when I'm out for wrestling. Really wish I would have had this when I went to WrestleCon. That would have been cool. I got a Claudio Castagnoli Micro Brawler. Oops, my bad. The Claudio Castagnoli Micro Brawler. We got some fun facts. I did not get a Chase variant this time, unfortunately. Oh, I think this was probably in the bag at one point. I guess this is the magnet. Um, I can see why it came out now. Okay. Okay. Put it back in here real quick. So it's supposed to be like that, and it just came out. So explained. Oh yeah. And since it's Monday, and you know what that means, in honor of that, we've got Brody Lee versus John Moxley in the main event of Double or Nothing, the World Championship. Yeah, I'm definitely going to hang that up at some point. In honor of Brody Lee. Rest in peace. And then we have a flag of some sort. So, since I have no idea what this is or who this is for, because you guys have read the spoiler card before I did, and of course I just dropped the box myself. Congratulations, Dewey. Maybe a flat. It's the American Dragon. I should have realized when it said dragon. Hell yeah, dude. That is definitely something super fire to hang on the wall. And just what I love about the All Elite crates is that all the crates are actually have stuff that you actually want in the crate. And not being like, oh, well, we gave you a pin. Well, okay, I lied. There was one month they literally gave you like the cheapest pin in the freaking world. I did not understand it. So I got one more thing left, which is the autograph. Sorry, I've changed camera locations and I'm not used to it being over where I changed it to. So since you guys know what this is, I'm gonna go show it off to you guys first. Oh, I ruined it for myself. But it's Ruby Soho. Ruby, 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 Ruby Soho. Ruby, Ruby, Ruby Soho. I don't know how the song goes. Ruby, Ruby, Ruby Soho. So there you go. And then since we're going out, gotta have one more dab for the road, guys. Tap on in. Not gonna go in that quite so hot, but still. Woo woo. Have a wonderful day.